Ready, everyone? In 3, 2, 1! Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, everyone. In 3, 2, 1, chant happy birthday. Happy birthday. And of course, isang A. Alright, ano po, happy surprise, happy birthday to you. Opo, yan. So mamaya, i-reserve mo yung mga sasabihin mo, ha? Mamaya kita pagsasalita yan. But for now, let's start the proper program. Pero wait lang, opo. Siyempre, meron mo rin ko yung grand entrance dalawa. Sabihin po yung anak po ninyo. Opo. Later na muna, ha? Mag-grand entrance ka. Siyempre, hindi pwede natin i-start ng yung party ng Kalakayang grand entrance. Of course. Okay, Justine and MOL. So please proceed here. Alright, so, ayan guys, ha? Mag-welcome remarks lang po muna ako. Introduction po muna. Okay, DJ Music. Alright, so a blessed evening to everyone. I'm MCRA, your host for tonight. And yeah, we are celebrating a 60th birthday of our celebrator together with your family. Okay, please welcome Justin, Emma, Annie, and of course, to our celebrator, Samuel Santiago. Happy birthday! Picture first, and of course, I would like to invite Pastor Rene Padrilanan, of course, to bless this event and also to bless the food that we partake for tonight. Sige po si Pastor. Bago natin pag-welcoming remarks po. Opo. So this time, please stand by there, and of course, I would like to invite everyone to please stand up for the opening prayer.